Welcome to our channel. If you've noticed your computer gradually slowing down over time, you're not alone. This is a common issue for many computer users. In today's video, we'll show you some steps to help speed up your computer and get it running smoothly again. Step 1. Disable unwanted startup programs. Many programs automatically start when your computer boots up, slowing down the startup process. Let's disable some of these. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable any non-essential programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Or you can also perform this task by right-clicking on an empty space on the taskbar. And from here, choose the Task Manager. By clicking on Task Manager, you will see the Process and Performance window. Select Startup, you will see all programs running on this computer. Step 2. Optimization and defragmentation. This process helps improve your system's performance by reorganizing data on your hard drive for faster access. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Then click on Disk Cleanup from the search results. Select the drive you want to clean, which is usually C drive. The tool will calculate how much space you can free up. Check all the boxes that you want to clean. Usually it's safe to select them all and click OK. Confirm that you want to delete these files and Disk Cleanup will do the rest. Step 3. Delete prefetch files. These files are used to help speed up the load times of programs. If you uninstall a program or app, the prefetch files will be left behind in the Windows 10 prefetch folder. Press the Windows plus R key. The Run window will appear. Here, type prefetch. After typing, click on OK. Click on a file and press Window plus A key. All will be selected. After that, on the keyboard, press Shift and Delete key to delete all files permanently. After deleting all cache files from your computer, performance will be increased. Step 4. Cleaning the temp files. These files accumulate over time and can take up valuable space on your drive, potentially slowing down your system. This process will help to free up disk space and potentially improve your computer's performance. Here's how you can clean the temp folder. Press Window plus R to open the Run dialog. Type temp and press the Enter button. This will open the temp folder. You will find various temporary files. For selecting all the files, select a file and press Ctrl plus A, all files with B selected. On the keyboard, press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete these files. Once again, press the Windows plus R keys at the same time. Now this time, type %temp%, then press Enter. For selecting all files, press the Ctrl plus A, all files with B selected. Press Shift plus Delete key at the same time, and then click Yes to proceed. Step 5. Clearing web browser's cache, cookies, and history. Now, let's move on to clearing the cache in your web browser's history. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select the historical dates. For example, we would like to clear previous history. Check the box accordingly to delete the history files and press Enter to proceed. By following these steps, you can help speed up your slow computer over time. Regular maintenance and a few upgrades, if needed, can significantly improve its performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.